Struggling with DELF A1 writing section? Don't worry, I'll break down both exercises step by step. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand the DELF A1 writing section format, identify and understand the two exercises, know how each exercise is marked, learn how to complete a form correctly, learn how to write a short message of at least 40 words, understand how to manage your 30 minutes effectively, learn useful tips to avoid common mistakes and maximize your score. The writing section consists of two exercises. First, you have to complete a form. Second, you have to write a message, postcard, or a similar short text, using simple sentences and writing at least 40 words. You have 30 minutes to complete both exercises. The writing section is worth a total of 25 points. In the first exercise, you have to complete a form. You need to provide basic personal information. You may see this type of task in different situations, such as providing personal details, registering at a hotel, giving airport or travel information, registering for a school or language course, registering for a sports club or activity, etc. Exercise 1 is worth 10 points in total. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. There are 10 pieces of information to complete in the form, and you receive 1 point for each correctly completed field. Let's see the example.
Exercice 1. Remplir un formulaire. Vous remplissez cette fiche d'inscription à l'hôtel. Exemple de réponse. Nom. Martin. Prénom. Sophie. Date de naissance. 15 juin 2000. Nationalité. Française. Courriel. sophie.martin@email.com. Adresse. 25 rue Victor Hugo. Code postal. 69 002. Pays. France. Téléphone. 06 12 34 56 78. Profession. Étudiante.
Here are some useful tips for exercise 1. Read the instructions carefully. Understand the situation. Complete every field. Write clearly. Give exactly the information requested. Check numbers, names, and spelling. In exercise 2, you have to write a short and simple message. The message can take different forms, for example, a postcard, an email, a short message, or an invitation. You must write at least 40 words. You can write more than 40 words, but do not write fewer than 40 words. Exercise 2 is worth 15 points in total. Let's see the example.
Vous êtes en vacances à Paris. Vous écrivez un message à votre ami pour parler des activités que vous faites.
A good A1 answer for this question could include a greeting, where you are, what you are doing or visiting, your impression, and a closing.
Exemple de réponse.
Salut Emma. Je suis à Paris avec ma famille. Il fait beau et j'adore la ville. Aujourd'hui, nous visitons la Tour Eiffel et demain, nous allons au musée du Louvre. Nous mangeons dans un petit restaurant. Je prends beaucoup de photos. C'est super. À bientôt. Lucas.
Here are some useful tips for exercise 2. Answer every point in the instructions. Aim for around 45 to 60 simple words so you have a safety margin. Keep your French simple. Use a natural beginning and ending when appropriate. Check verbs, articles, gender, and spelling. Stay focused on the situation. How should you manage your 30 minutes? For exercise 1, spend about 10 minutes completing the form carefully. For exercise 2, spend about 15 minutes planning and writing your message. Then, use the final 5 minutes to check your work. Check that you have answered every point, written at least 40 words, and that your sentences are understandable. Also, check your verb endings, spelling, and accents. And remember, don't spend too much time on exercise 1, because exercise 2 is worth 15 points.